I've spent a lot of hours researching the most crazy AI tools so that you guys can triple your income and run a side hustle on autopilot browse. AI should probably be illegal, but you can use it to extract and monitor your competitors' websites. Looka takes care of your branding and logo design in a matter of seconds. Don't let your crappy art skills hold you back. Copy AI is like having your own personal ghostwriter. I use it to create blogs, newsletters, social posts, and more. If you want to claim the top spot on Google, you're going to love Spin Rewriter. It can rewrite a single article into 500 different ones in a matter of 45 seconds with the right prompt on Midjourney. You can make boring product photos look like they were shot in a professional studio. Runway is the ultimate editing suite for social media content. Their tools can turn your videos from looking like they were shot in a potato to looking like a Hollywood blockbuster suffering from inbox overload. Merlin can effortlessly write professional email replies, so use these tools to save time, make more money, and run your business while you sleep.